Daily Top 10 Thursday edition with me, VJ Carla, and with me today are a group of young cuties who are making a really big name for themselves in the Filipino music scene. Everyone give it up for Chickster! Can I just share, I have never been around this many cuties in my life, coming from an all-girls school. So, hi guys, na-overwhelm ako. So please, introduce yourselves first.
I'm Owie po. I'm Cav.
I'm Yuli.
I'm B-Boy.
I'm Ren.
My name is Oliver.
And we are the Chickster!
Okay, grabe, na-rehearse pa yun, ha? Love it. Okay guys, how was the group formed? Yung sa inyo?
Bali, nag-start po kami as high school barkada po.
Ay, ang cute. So you guys go way back, pero hindi masyadong way back kasi you guys are young, no? Like, ano yung mga average ages nyo?
15 to 19 po.
15 to 19, guys.
Mga 3 years ago po, yung...
When you started.
Yeah,
Okay. And what's the deal behind yung name nyo? Like, bakit Chickster yung
I
gusto
think it's
nyo?
unique po. Talagang pinag-vote lang namin, ganun-ganun.
Tapos
Parang
po,
mahilig
ano?
po kami sa chicken.
Chicken.
Iba-iba po yung
Chicken! Kaya ay, benta sa akin yun.
Search for dancer.
Ah.
Tapos po sa kabilang school po kasi merong isang
May
group,
group na named as Chili's.
Chili's.
Kasi all-girls school yun.
Tapos
Tapos
naman
parang
sa boys,
gusto
all
po
boys,
namin,
Chickster.
gumawa din po kami. Parang,
Nagigigil na ako. Okay, go, go.
hindi po namin nakuha yung word na chick. Tapos parang naisip namin chick. Tapos siya po nakaisip nun sa dancer as sir. Kaya po nabuo yung Chickster.
Kaya pala. So, mahaba pala yung story ng
Yes
name
po,
nyo.
yes.
Okay, guys, wait. Kasi alam mo sa mga boy bands, may mga iba't ibang image, di ba? May bad boy, may good
Apo,
boy,
apo.
may nerd, may mama's boy, may pogi boy.
Apo.
Lahat kayo pogi boy, obviously.
Hindi po.
Di ba?
Hindi po.
Pero sino sa inyo yung bad boy, yung nerd, sino si mama's boy? Yan yung gusto ko. Kasi,
Si Mama's Boy.
Si Mama's
ay, ang cute naman ng mama's boy. Okay, sino yung bad boy?
Owie.
Angas mo nga eh. Ako po. Sino naman yung good boy?
Ako.
Kami po.
Uy! Dalawa! Uy, guys. Ito yung gusto ko. Sino yung single boy?
Ako.
Uy! Uy, ano to? Ba't may hesitation? Semi? Semi-single? You sure? It's complicated?
Single na single.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna have more of these cuties in a bit, but back to our chart show. Here's One Way or Another by another cutie boy group, One Direction.
Yeah.